She said all queens think they're fierce. I said mistake all queens and me.
Bon appetit on my feast for the eyes. The reason why I'm in luxury design. So chic, so ahead of time. Cunt queen, princess of the prize. Witness the baddest bitch alive. Reporting from the belly of the night. Gorgeous, cause the world is mine. A girl with a twirl in the rhyme. Diamonds in the pearl on the shine. Welcome to our house in the sky.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Bitch. Oh mom, I'm feeling my oats, bitch. Oh, bitch. First of all, before I get even started with this video, let me just say that you all snapped hard on my last video, y'all. Like, I'm really shook and deceased and literally every word in the dictionary right now. We hit 20,000 subscribers, which is honestly amazing. Like, I'm really, really happy, and I'm really thankful that you guys found it in your hearts to subscribe to me and watch my content. I promise I won't disappoint. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Michael, or Morphine Love MUA on Instagram, and I am a beauty influencer and drag queen. So get into it. Oh, something just moved. Girl, something paranormal always happens while I'm filming, I swear. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for subscribing and watching my crazy ass. I promise I won't disappoint you. But yeah, for today's video, I know many of you in my last video commented saying that you wanted me to do a neutral look with the neutral colors in the palette. And here it is. It was so many of you, so I was like, you know what, let me do this ASAP, because I know so many people were asking me to do a neutral look. So this is what I came up with. I really hope I didn't disappoint. If I did, I'm sorry. If I didn't, then I'm happy. But yeah, this is something very new to me. This hair. I never wear hair like this, but hey, there's always a first time for everything, right? So before I continue on with the video, I have really exciting news. So I'm going to be having my first ever drag masterclass hands-on workshop here in Hollywood, Florida. Well, I don't live in Hollywood, Florida. I live in Miami, Florida, but it will be held in Hollywood, Florida. And I am so happy because this is the first time I ever do a drag makeup class. I usually do like a regular makeup like class and all that stuff. I've never done like a drag makeup class. So if you are in the area and you want to sign up, tickets are down below. It is sponsored by Elo Cosmetics, so you will be getting some really good goodies, and I'm going to be putting some of my own things in there as well. So come on, let's have a key. It's going to be so much fun. I'm going to be teaching you literally step by step how to do drag makeup. Well, at least my definition of how I do my own drag makeup, because I know there's a plethora on how to do drag makeup. So if you want to learn tips and tricks from me, then make sure you go down below and get your tickets, because it's going to be a key and we're going to have so much fun. So yeah, I'm really happy. Yeah, I talk a lot of shit, so let me stop talking shit. If you want to know how to get this sickening look using the new Life's a Drag palette, then please keep on watching. Hey guys, sorry if you see chips on my teeth. I was eating chips like a fat ass. But as you can see, I already did one eye off camera. I know a lot of you hate it when I do that, but I just had to gather my thoughts before I tried anything on my eyes, because I have not slept. So, you know, I didn't want to fuck this up. So that's why I did one eye off camera, and it kind of looked sickening. So, I mean, it's just like a regular eye that I always do, but yeah, just very neutral. Also, if you haven't checked out my, well, I don't know if it's up. I don't think it's going to be up yet, but it will be up soon. My drag base tutorial. It's probably going to be up tomorrow or the day after tomorrow. I'm not really sure. It depends on how I feel or if I even edit it in time. But yeah, I did my drag. I filmed a tutorial on my drag base, so on how I do my drag base. So yeah, if you want to see that, click the link down below. But yeah, to start off the eyes, I already primed my eyes with MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot. So now I'm just going to go in straight in with the palette, and I'm basically just going to use this side of the palette only using the neutrals, because I know a lot of you wanted me to do a tutorial only using the neutrals. So to start off, I'm going to be using this shade called Mug. And with a Morphe M514 brush, I'm just going to be placing this color over here and just building up the pigment as much as we can. I'm not blending straight away. I'm mostly just placing the pigment as we go. I know I've said this many, many times before, but what I really like about this palette is that you don't really need to like tap it as much. Like you just swirl the brush and then you just go straight in and you get so much pigment but with zero fallout. So that's what I like about this palette. You guys, I stand this palette so hard. You guys already know, like, I feel like people think that I'm like just saying that because it's me anyway, but I swear like this palette is good. Like I would never lie to you guys. Like I really would never lie to you guys. And I don't know, the palette just works for me. I mean, who knows? It might not work for other people, but honestly, it really did work for me. Like boots, like it worked for me. So I don't know. You guys would just have to try it for yourselves. I really love the palette. Now with a clean blending brush, I'm just going to be blending the edges out very softly. Now I'm going to blend that out even more with these two shades called Hunty and Sickening. More of Hunty, but just a little mixture of both. And with a BH Cosmetics number 5 brush, I'm just going to be using this to blend out the edges of our brown shade. You know, just to blend this out even further and to give us a nice gradient effect. I'm just putting this mostly on the edges. Look at that blend, girl, that blend. Alrighty guys, so I cut my crease off camera and I used the NYX SFX Cream White with the CoverGirl Concealer, just so you guys know. And now to set the concealer, I'm going to be using my favorite shade in the palette, Cake Face. And I'm just going to be using the brush that came with the palette, the flat side. And I'm literally just setting this concealer with the white. And since I did use a little bit of Clown White, it makes the white even more white. So if you want to use it by itself, it is going to be white still, but not as white if you use like a white base or like a really light base. Alrighty guys, so the white is stamped on and I'm going to be adding some dimension and dimension? Yeah, dimension. And I'm going to be using the shade called Shady and Mug together because I don't want it to be too black, but I also want it to be like a dark brown. So I'm just going to be mixing these two colors and I'm going to focus this shade on my outer corner, blending it up as we go. And with a really tiny detailed blending brush, I'm going to be going over here on this edge and creating kind of like a line just to give this cut crease a little bit more dimension. As you can see, that kind of makes like a really big difference. Then going back with Mug, I'm just going to be blending the edges out, making sure that it looks seamless and completely blended. And now with the burgundy shade called Trade, I'm going to be going in the middle, blending the white and the black together to make sure that everything looks really nice. As you can see, it creates a really nice burgundy brownish effect when you blend those two together. Make sure you don't go too in on the white because then you're going to cover up the white. But just blend just enough so that everything looks really nice and blended. Now I'm just going to draw a cute little wing. My eye's burning so much. But for my lower lash line, I'm going to be using the shade Mug. just to outline where I want my lower lash line. And I'm not going super dramatic with my lower lash line today. I'm kind of going to keep it very like natural-ish, which is something I'm not really used to. So I'm not going to extend it as far as I normally do. I'm just going to like use my natural lower lash line and just extend it just a teeny bit, but not too much. Now with a tiny blending brush, I'm going to go in with that black just to give us some more definition. And then I'm going to be blending the edges out with Hunty and Sickening, the same transition shades we used to blend out the brown. Now I'm going to line my waterline with the White Cream Makeup by NYX. And I'm going to quickly set that cream with the white eyeshadow. I love this white eyeshadow, you guys. Like, it's literally so good. Alrighty guys, so that is what we have right now. This is the eye look that I came up with. Honestly, I don't know what it looks like because I cannot see anything because my contacts are literally so dry that I can't see anything. But I hope it looks good. So this is the neutral eye that I came up with. It's kind of cute. It's very neutral, very like kind of boring, but I live. So I'm going to be putting on some lashes, some mascara, and then, you know, doing like my bake and contour off camera, and then I'll be right back. Alrighty guys, so lashes are on. Do you like? I am literally so obsessed. So these are the same lashes that I used in my last drag video, which is these custom lashes that I made, and then the bottom lashes are House of Lashes in the style Precious. So yeah, and then I also did some blush and some contour off camera, and right now I'm gonna be dusting off all of this powder. Bitch, it is cold in this room, girl. It is so cold in my room. Like, oh my god. Alright guys, so now to prep for highlight, I'm going to be spraying my face with some MAC Fix Plus. Alrighty guys, so now for highlight, I really wanted to try this shade called Beat as highlight. I saw Maddie wear it as highlight, and then I saw someone else wear it as highlight, and I really wanted to try it, so I'm going to be trying it today. Hopefully it's not like too like pink or dark. So I'm going to be swirling it on this brush. This brush is the Morphine M510 brush. Alright, so let's see how this looks. Oh, bitch. Do you guys see that? Oh, wait, hold the fuck up, bitch. Oh, okay. No, that's the highlight. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's literally called Beat, and I look so beat right now. Holy fuck. Bitch, look at this highlight. Y'all, this is too much. Like, holy shit, this is like insane how good this highlight is. Oh my gosh. Honestly, for drag, I think I'm just gonna take the palette and not take any eyeshadow palettes or highlighters because I'm getting my full Josh right now. Like, holy shit, girl. Yes. Alright guys, so now moving on to lips, I'm going to be using the new Morphe Mega Mattes in collaboration with Nikita Dragon. So Morphe and Nikita came out with 5 beautiful red matte shades, and I already have the ones I picked out. Literally, it is impossible to take the lipsticks out of these things. It's like literally stuck in there. So yeah, I'm going to be using these 2 beautiful red shades. I swatched them in the back of my hand. I usually don't go for lipsticks like these. I usually do a liquid lip, but let's try these out and see how they are. So I'm definitely going to line my lips with like a dark red lip liner or something. So I'll do that and I'll be right back. Alrighty, so that's more like it. The lip liner I use is the Vinyl Lip Liner by Morphe X. I really do not know the name, but it is a really nice dark burgundy lip. And right now I'm just going to be using the Nikita X Morphe in the center. Ooh, my eyes are burning, y'all. Oh, these contacts are so old. Alrighty guys, so these are the lips. I wasn't sure, and I'm still not sure how I feel about them. Like, I don't know if they go with the look or not, but I think they do go with the look. I kind of am feeling it, but I'm kind of not. Do you know what I'm trying to say? I don't know what I'm trying to say. But right now I'm going to be putting on my hair, my accessories, and all that good stuff, and then I'll be right back. Alrighty guys, oh my god, so this is the completed look. Now, I've never seen myself in hair like this at all. I'm serving you very Valentina season 9 entrance right now, like I literally just realized. And I'm really feeling it. Oh, bitch. I never wear hair like this. I'm usually a blondie, but you know, sometimes brunettes can have fun too. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it wasn't like as extravagant as the other one, but you know, I always try to do my best in all my videos. So yeah, since I know many of you wanted me to do a neutral look on the Life's a Drag palette, I decided to do it. So I really hope that I made y'all proud and that you guys learned some tips and tricks from me. So yeah, I really hope you enjoyed the video. Also, do not forget to sign up for my class if you are in the Hollywood, Florida area. It is on June 21st, and I will be linking that down below. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any other ideas you want me to do, anything that you have in mind, let me know down below, and I will get to it as soon as I can. My Instagram and Twitter is MorphineLoveMUA, and my Snapchat is MorphineLove. I will also be linking that down below as well. I love you guys so much, and please stay safe.